Hey, welcome to Chelsea's Quick Bites. I'm excited to hang out with you in the kitchen today. Get ready for some cooking shenanigans as we whip up something delicious together. Whether you're a cooking guru or simply just love good food, we're going to do it all. Today we'll be making manicotti and the ingredients are listed below. We're going to start out with some clean mushrooms. We're going to chop them up and add some fresh garlic, salt and pepper, olive oil, and add that all to a skillet. When it's done sauteing, set it to the side and add your spinach to the same skillet and add your seasoning of choice. Once your spinach is cooked, set it to the side and chop it up. The cheese you must have is ricotta and Parmigiano-Reggiano, but I decided to add Parmesan, and you can add whatever cheese you would like. Add the mushrooms and spinach and mix everything together. Put it in a bag and set it to the side. Not every noodle will make it. As you can see, there's cracks in a few already, but boil the water first before you add them in and cook them for 9 minutes. This allows the manicotti to cook evenly. Drain them, preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and we're ready to start filling. Cut a small hole in your bag and stuff the manicotti. Put them on top of marinara, add some more marinara and cheese, and place it in the oven for 30 minutes. This is the finished product. It's out of the oven and ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Join me next time on Chelsea's Quick Bites.